deactivate your Twitter account permanently. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can deactivate your Twitter account permanently. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to go in your app store or the play store that you are using, and you just have to search for your Twitter. So now once you are in, you just have to click on it and update it, and after that you just have to go back and open up your Twitter. So now once you are in here, in the top left corner there is the profile icon. You just have to click on it, and from here you have to go in the settings and the support. Now once you are in, just have to click on the settings and the privacy, and here in the top there is the option of the your account. You have to tap on it. Now from here, as you can see that here in the bottom option there is the option of the deactivate your account. You just have to click on it, and from here is the deactivate option. You have to click on it, and here you have to add your password. By complete your deactivation request by entering the password associated with your account. So you just have to add your password, and after that you are able to deactivate your Twitter account. Now it is deactivate until you again log in your Twitter account. So this is how you can deactivate your Twitter account permanently. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.